Hi, today I'm going to show you how to collaborate with text in a livebinder. First, I'm just going to show you a couple of basics on how to get started. So if you want to pick a binder that you want to have other people co-edit with you on, you select it. You want to invite them to collaborate. So you do that by selecting the options menu, collaborate. And then you need to enter the email address that they use to sign up with livebinders. So I'm just going to make up an email here to demonstrate. You click on add and you'll see that their email address associated with your livebinders account gets added to your collaborators list. Later on, when you're ready to remove your collaborator, all you have to do is click on their checkbox and click on remove. Now a collaborator can edit in your binder in two ways. One is with livebinder it. So they would open up their livebinder it when they found a website they want to add to your binder. They scroll down the drop-down menu until they get to shared binders, and underneath shared binders will be all the binders that they've been invited to collaborate with. So they just need to select the binder and they can add content that way. The other way is through their My Shelves page. You again click down on the drop-down menu, choose Others Collaborative Binders, and all the binders that you've been invited to collaborate on will appear on that shelf. So you select a binder that you want to collaborate on, and you'll see that it looks pretty similar to one of your own binders. You can use the edit menu, you can move tabs around, you can add text to a binder, you can do all the things that you normally would with your own binder. The only restriction is this grayed in area here, where you can't change the title or the binder cover or the access to the binder properties. That's reserved for the original author of the binder. Now the other thing that I mentioned was text editing. So as a collaborator, you can have multiple collaborators working on different tabs and entering text at different times. But we have seen cases where multiple collaborators are working at the same time within the same tab, working on the same text document. And the text editor that we're using in the binder right now does not support text merging. So what we recommend is using an online collaboration text environment like Google Docs and putting that into the binder if you're going to have collaborators working on text. So that's what I'm going to show you today. So we're going to go back to the shelf, and I'm going to select a binder that I want to add this Google Doc to, and then I'm going to go up to a Google Doc that I've created. So this document now is ready to be entered into the binder for co-editing. I'm going to click on Share in the upper right hand corner. Then underneath Who Has Access, I'm going to show you the different access settings that you can set. The last three are more restrictive, so if you want to have a private document that you want people to collaborate on, you would enter one of these and then put in the email address of that person that you want to have co-edit with you, so that within the binder, when they open up the binder and they go to that tab with the private Google Doc, they will be prompted to either log into Google Docs or to enter in the email address that you registered them with. The first two here are less restrictive, so if you just want to be able to have people get quickly and easily to the document to edit in, then I would recommend these two settings, and I recommend public on the web because it is the least restrictive setting for sharing and editing a document online. So the other thing you want to do, and here I've already made it editable, but if you could see here, you could say these people can edit, they can comment, they can view, and I'm going to select can edit to make sure that not only is it public and available in the binder, but also that they are allowed to edit that Google Doc in the binder. So I'm going to click Save. And then you'll see at the top here that they provide a URL for that document. You want to copy that. So Control C. And you want to go into your binder that you want to add it to. So here's the sub-tab I want to add that to. Control V, paste, and I'm going to insert that Google Doc environment. So you can see here that all the editing features come with the document. And if I click on part of the text, I can add some more text to this document. And that's being saved all across, back to the Google Docs shared folder and back to this document here in the binder. So now let's say that you've finished with collaborating on this text document and you're ready to turn in your finished product. So you can also embed or insert a published non-editable document within the binder so you're ready to turn it in as your final project. So I'm going to show you how to do that as well. So here I have a document that I'm all finished editing, and I want to now make it non-editable. So I want to select Publish to the Web, and there's two things here. I can make it private and require viewers to sign in to view this finished document. The other choice I can do is to have it automatically republish when changes are made. And I selected that box because it's really nice when you find a typo, or if you want to add another paragraph to the finished document, you now can do that. You can edit it within the binder, or you can edit it within your Google Docs folder, and that finished document will automatically update. So I'm going to click on Start Publishing, and OK. And then you'll see below that it provides the link that you can insert into the binders. You do Control-C, you go back into your binder, select the tab you want to insert it in, and you do Paste and Insert. So you see here that there is not any of the editable features showing up at the top. So this is more of a heading. This is the title of the document, and then the body of the content of the document. And if I try to add text to it, I can't. So this is for when you're finished with the document and you're ready to present it as your final project. So that's how you add collaborative text to a binder.